To set up your EC6 Panorama, the first thing we need to do is to power the camera. Connect the power port to the power adapter and plug the power adapter into the socket. When the EC6 Panorama is powered on, it will automatically rotate to calibrate its position.
Please use the mobile phone scan the QR code on the boarding labeled and the configuration interface. Waiting for connection.
Alright, sounds like it's time to connect the network, which also means connect EC6 Panorama to your phone. Please make sure that you already downloaded Xiaomi or Mi Home app to your phone. Once you have the app, click the three-dot icon at the top right and then select Add Device or simply scan the QR code. It will ask you to reset the device. You probably don't need to do that if it's your first time connecting the camera. And then it's going to ask you whether you want to connect it through Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. In this case, I chose Wi-Fi. Click the join here, then you're all set. All that you need to do is wait for it to finish the connection. If it doesn't work, then you probably need to reset the camera and try it again.
Connection to Wi-Fi completed. Pairing to account completed. Device online.
Alright, everything is done. And then the app is going to ask you where you're installing the camera. In this case, I selected the living room. And then several settings that you need to set. Simply click in the next is fine.